Level number 11. Demonstrating operator precedence answer equals to 8 plus 8 asterisk 3 minus 2. Number multiple of first then additions and subtractions. Number changing represents using a parenthesis new to answer equals open parenthesis 8 plus 4 series open parenthesis 3 to 2 front open parenthesis quotation mark new answer colon quotation mark and also new answer. So this demonstrating operator precedence. So there are a multiple and divisions and happen before addition plus and subtraction. So see, these are three part of demonstrating operators. So there's a difference. So you can use parentheses to control or to change the order.